In Wayne County, a former girls soccer coach is scheduled to be in court tomorrow facing sexual battery charges. Investigators say his victim was a teenager when this happened. News 5 investigator Scott Knoll with details.
Item C, accept the resignation of the following individuals.
Northwestern local school board members voting earlier this month to accept the resignation of girls soccer coach Tim Boggs. Now, weeks later, that same coach faces 9 counts of sexual battery. According to the indictments, 51-year-old Boggs is accused of engaging in sexual activity with a 16-year-old between March and April 2025, part of a pattern of sexual conduct that investigators say spanned more than a year and involved Boggs and a teen he coached, instructed, or had disciplinary control over. In a statement, the superintendent of Northwestern local schools said the allegations stemmed from an incident not connected to his time as the district's girls soccer coach, a position he held for the last 3 seasons. The superintendent also said the alleged misconduct did not involve a Northwestern student and that the district did not receive any reports of misconduct in Boggs' role as a coach. Social media posts show Boggs also affiliated with Ohio Strikers United Soccer Club in Worcester. By phone, the head of the organization told me he was advised by his attorney and police not to talk with us on camera, citing what he called the ongoing investigation. He also has not responded to a list of questions we sent him, including what screenings and trainings was Boggs required to complete before coaching, and if there were other allegations of misconduct against the coach. Boggs' booking sheet following his arrest Monday lists his marital status as separated. He also served as a West Salem Village Council member. Now records show he sits in the Wayne County Jail, his bond set at $100,000. In Worcester, I'm News 5 investigator Scott Knoll.